Hello and welcome to Module 2 of our online Word Builders course. This week we are covering blending, segmenting, and rhyming skills. These are foundational skills you will need to launch into reading. You should now be familiar with your letter sounds from Module 1 and ready to put them together into words. First, let's begin with an introduction to CVC words. Well, what are CVC words? They are three-letter words that are formed with a consonant-vowel-consonant pattern. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are all other letters. CVC words are the simplest words for emerging learners such as yourselves, and they allow you to really test those letter sound skills. For example, here are some CVC words. At, pat, it, sit, and run. I have included this fun phonics blending song. Unfortunately, we cannot listen to it together, but ask your parents to click on the link below in digital resources. Let's first start with segmenting skills. When you segment a CVC word, you break it down into individual sounds or syllables. For example, r, a, g, r, a, n, and s, a, b are all examples of segmenting. This foundational reading skill helps you to figure out a word and put sounds together. A useful technique I want you to use during this module is finger counting, or using your fingers to segment words. When you say r-a-g, put up one finger for r, two for a, and three for g. R-a-g. This video helps you to really learn those finger counting skills. As before, check for the link below in digital resources and listen with your parents or guardian at home. Now, blending is the skill you use to pull together those individual sounds or syllables. This reading skill is essentially the opposite of segmenting because you are connecting sounds without stopping in between each letter. For example, blending happens when you read cat, can, rag, and lad. You have to really practice your letter sounds and segmenting skills to successfully blend words together. Rhyming is also an essential skill to have, and it's simply words that have the same sound at the end, such as run and sun. All CVC words we will be learning are split into distinct word family groups that share the same ending. For example, in the at family, you can find the words cat, hat, sat, rat, mat, bat, fat, gnat, and pat. These word families help you to learn the structure of words and to develop awareness of rhyming words. You can further develop your rhyming skills with these following activities. You can play I Spy. For example, I spy something that ends in at. How about that mat? I see something that ends with un. It's the sun. You can also play the game Point Out. Can you point to something in the room that rhymes with look? Yes, how about that book? These books are also excellent examples that will help you develop those rhyming skills. Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss and Room on a Broom by Julia Donaldson. You can follow these links here. You have also heard rhyming in songs and lullabies such as Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and Hickory Dickory Dock. This week we'll work on developing your blending, segmenting, and rhyming skills. Please reach out to me with any questions in the inbox and good luck!